Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you how you can add your TikTok profile link to your Snapchat story. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to go to the TikTok application, then tap on your profile. Here you will find the option share profile. You need to tap on it and then tap on copy the link. So once the link is copied, now you need to go to Snapchat. Once you go to Snapchat, you can record a video or you can add a picture or a video from your gallery. So in this case, I will just record a short clip here. Then you need to tap on the drop down arrow. Here you will find the link option. You need to tap here. All you need to do is to paste that link here. Once you paste it, it will appear like this here. You need to tap on it. It will open to show that once anybody tap on that link, it will open like this. Then tap on attach to snap, and here you can place it anywhere that you want, and then just tap on send to, or you can just add to the story here as well. So guys, this is how you can add your TikTok profile link to Snapchat story. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.